Hey guys, every so often you guys suggest a line of products for me to review. So we picked one out. We want to show you it and we want to talk about it and try it out right in front of you, okay? But first, I want to tell you that a lot of you who are members of the channel, thank you so much for signing up and becoming a member of the channel. Remember, you're getting first sneak peek at the Burger Wars tour. So that's one of your perks. The other one is chat with me on Saturdays. And then after Burger Wars tour airs, we're going to start doing some behind the scenes videos. Every so often, we'll give you kind of a sneak peek behind the scenes, watching me make a video. All right? So you guys come on in close. Let me show you what I got. All right, so here's all the products. We have the pepperoni, uncured pepperoni pizza that claims to only be total 4 carbs per serving, which probably means each mini pizza is probably 1 serving. Gosh, I hope so. Anything smaller than that, forget it. And then we got some jalapeno poppers with white cheddar cheese. We have 2 chicken enchiladas. We have 2 cheese enchiladas. So we're going to warm them up one at a time and give them a taste test. Okay, I'm a little scared. This is what the 4 pizzas, they're little mini pizzas, look like. They're on cardboard, and they're super small and super thin, and I don't know if I'm going to feel good about eating any of this. That is, all right, let's be honest. I bought these so I could say whatever I want. That looks gross. That doesn't even look like a pizza. And that's 4 little mini pizzas, right? But we're going to follow the instructions. We're going to heat this up. We're still going to try it. Well, I will tell you this. Some positive things about this pizza. It looks better cooked. It still doesn't look that great, but it looks better than it did frozen. So it's been cooked. We're just letting it cool right now. We're going to try it in a minute. Okay, here is 1. 2 of these is 1 serving, just so you know. Anyway, look how tiny they are. I'd rather make a fathead pizza. If you remember my fathead video, I'll put a link down below. This is okay. Ironically, it's not bad. It's pretty good. But the crust doesn't taste like a crust. You can make it crispier by taking it off the cardboard and cooking it like that. But yeah, so 2 of these are 4 grams of carbs, called Real Good Pizza. So far, this is just okay. I won't buy this ever again, because the crust is kind of still soft and not really a crust. This is what we're going to do. We're going to cook the jalapeno poppers along with your enchiladas. They're all 400 degrees. We're going to take the poppers out ahead of time. We'll try those, and then we'll finish off the enchiladas in the oven. All right, you ready? Let's do this. Okay, guys, I got to be honest. These look good. Now look there's some cheese oozing out. I love that. That's awesome. I think these are going to be better than the pizza. So we'll let these cool for a little bit, and then we'll give it a try. All right, I have no idea how hot these are. So you're going to see me live, not really live, but recorded, try this without testing it. Feels like it's not that hot. It's good to the touch. Let's try it out. The heat's good. The cheese is good. But I can't really taste the pepper in there. I'm not really feeling the little bit of a crunch when you bite into a popper, or when you chew into a popper, you feel that pepper inside. The jalapeno, I couldn't tell the difference between the jalapeno and the crust, which means it's kind of mushy. So, not a big fan of these, but maybe we'll have more hope for the enchiladas, right? Okay, so I'm sitting over onto the side table and waiting for the enchiladas. And I kept asking myself, why is it I can't taste the pepper in there? So I bit one in half. And if you look, I don't know if you can see it, but inside is like little bits of jalapeno and cheese. It's not a whole pepper. It's not like a stuffed pepper like you're normally used to at Sonic or at Chili's. It's kind of mushed together. No wonder I didn't taste the pepper when I bit into it. Okay, guys, I just want to be honest about this here. Okay, so the pizza didn't look good. The jalapeno poppers didn't taste good. This looks pretty good. I have hope for this. We will try this in a minute. We're letting it cool right now. But you got the green, like chili verde version, and then you got the red sauce version. Okay, guys, we're going to try the red sauce first right here. Like it needs cumin or something. Not real Mexican-y. Kind of tastes like the pizza, which is kind of weird. You know they're using the same type of cheese on both. So the red one's just okay. Let's try the green sauce. This one's very hot still. That's better. The pizza didn't look good. It was just okay. The poppers looked good, tasted not good. All right? The red enchiladas didn't taste like enchiladas. The green enchiladas tasted the best out of the whole line. Had that green chili flavor, that kind of that Ortega flavor. I do like those. So the only ones I liked out of the whole line were the green enchiladas. Now they come in separate boxes, so you can choose the red, or you can choose the green, or you can choose the pizza, or whatever you want. They're all individually wrapped, okay? You guys, thanks for joining me on this review, and I will talk to you on the next episode. Take care.